Hello and welcome back to the another program of this Python programming for practice series. We have already completed 9 programs in this series, and today we are going to see the last program of this Python practice program series. This program we will see how to get the factorial of a number. So here you can see, if you are not aware what is the factorial. So factorial is the product of all the integers that lies between 1 and the number itself. Let's say 5. So from 5 to 1, whichever number is coming, the product of that or the multiplication of that would be the factorial of that particular number. We have already completed these 9 programs. So if you are interested and you want to see all of these programs, you can click the link of playlist below. And I will also share the link of the playlist in the description of this video. Now let's see this. Now let's go in the code and see this program. So here I am on my Python code editor, PyCharm, and what I will do, I will add a new Python file into this program. So I will right click on the project folder, new file, and I will paste the entire code and then I will explain line by line. So in the first line, we are taking the input from user, and then we are storing that in a variable, that is number, and then we have one more variable with the default value 1, that is factorial. Now you have to remember one rule about the factorial, that you cannot get the factorial for negative number. So if number is less than 0, then you cannot give the factorial to the user. If number is equals to 0, then the factorial is 1. I know mathematically this is not sounding logical, but yes, as per the rule of the factorial of 0 is always 1. Please remember this point. And this is based on the theory of factorial. Now once we have a number that is not 0 and that is not negative, we have to start running a loop from 1 till number plus 1. Okay, and then we will print the factorial here. I'll just run this code first of all and let's see the result. So I will enter 3. So 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 6. Now I will run this code once again. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 20. All right, so this is the very simple and very basic program to understand more about the Python if and else conditions. Please hit the like button if you like this simple explanation and subscribe to the channel for more basics to advanced Python. Share your feedback in comment. Let's jump into the advanced series of Python. Thank you very much for your time.